Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to one more session for NIC Recruitment 2020. So first thing that your admit card is available now. Just go to official website and download it. Okay, just logged in and you can download your admit card now. And as you know that your exam is scheduled on 22nd of November. In the morning you have scientist B paper and in the noon you have TA paper. So the journey which we started from March month, now the exam is scheduled in your November. So till now I guide you, I help you, whether it is your interview with scientist B, whether lots of strategy videos I share with you on the all aspects for NSC recruitment. So now this 15 days, right, last 15 days is very much important, and in this last 15 days what you should do and you can do. Okay, so we will discuss on that. So first thing, let's start our video now. So first thing is that just revise your own notes only now. Okay, so this 15 days, in this 15 days just revise your notes. Okay, because in the groups also I see some messages like send me your notes like that. Okay, it's not work, it's not going to work obviously, because whatever you the hard work, okay, the amount of time you invested for this 8 months in NIC recruitment, okay, all that now you need to revise, right? So it is your hard work, it is your own notes that you should read only, and that you will be able to recall in your exam hall, right? So that's why don't depend on any other notes, because obviously that person understanding is different, okay, than yours, and also various things are there. So obviously you should refer your notes only. Second thing, avoid extra topics. Okay, so now the time is that whatever you covered till now, okay, just you have to focus on that. Just if you are started your preparation late or some topics are remaining still now, okay, so just leave them topics. Okay, don't touch it, it's not going to work, I am telling you. So it's better to just keep that topic and just focus on the topics that you covered so far, right, on which you worked for 8 months, because these 15 days are very important, and whatever you do in your 8 months, okay, if you didn't recall that, then obviously it's waste, right, it is not used. So that's why it's very important to avoid extra topics. So don't do anything extra now. Okay, don't get influencer, don't get ignored by each other, right, or the message, just ignore the things, be calm. Okay, just it's not like that someone is telling you do this topic, it is very important like that. Okay, because in the group lots of things happening day by day. So that's why just be calm, okay, and focus on your study, whatever you complete, okay, whatever the topic you have completed so far, and you make your own notes for that topic, just read that, okay, calmly, no need to panic at all, right? Next thing, to sum up your preparation, our test series you already know is launched a month before. Okay, total 6 tests for your technical assistant and for scientist B's are there, right? So total 12 tests are there, that means your 440 questions are there, right? So basically now all the concepts, okay, which is required for your preparation are there. Okay, so just revise your notes, okay, and just focus on that concept which are already in test. Okay, so you can test whether you can answer or tackle the concept in the test or not. Okay, so for that is very important. And one more thing I want to tell those who have applied to technical assistant, okay, just give test of scientist B also. Why? Because in the scientist B you have your aptitude portion and your technical part. Okay, and suppose for TA, okay, if your preparation is like 19, then if you do this scientist B test, which is 6 tests, okay, then it will be your 21. And obviously it is very important for you, because you know that for technical assistant there is direct selection based on merit. Okay, you have to come in the merit, otherwise you are out of the game, right? So that's why this is very important that you should prepare at the next level of your exam. Okay, so just make sure this thing, and obviously the price is also very less according to the time and according to the quality according to all the work, okay, which is included in the NSE test. Just for you guys, okay, I put the price very less, so just you can utilize that test, all the tests, that is your scientist B and technical assistant fully. And those who applied as a scientist B, obviously you will give technical and scientist B test by default. Okay, for you there is no option. So the thing is that you have the report analysis with you. Okay, after test you will get the report. You can analyze whether you are lacking, okay, what are your weak topic, on which topic extra time you are taking, because time management is also important, right? So all these things you will learn. Okay, see, in simple language if I told you na, then this 15 days just you have to spend with yourself only. Okay, because this is the time where you should disconnect from all the world, from all over the world, from your family, friends, all those your YouTube and all social media. Okay, and just focus on yourself, just revise, give your test, okay, analyze the report, and then you can again give the test and repeat the cycle, right? So this 15 days is yours, so spend with you only. Okay, and obviously our WhatsApp group will be there, so just you can be active there, because this is, you know, that fully focused group. Okay, no other irrelevant things are there. So that's why our WhatsApp group, our test, and your preparation, these three things only you should carry in this 15 days. Okay, and next thing, the main thing that I put efforts on this test, that the expected topics. Okay, whatever the topics are most expected for your exam, okay, I focused on that topic, okay, majorly, because obviously major marks, okay, that is your 70% marks you can fetch from these topics only. Okay, fixed 70% marks, rest of 30% marks, that will be depend on your luck or your concepts, right, or the amount of coverage of syllabus, but these 70% marks are fixed. Okay, and obviously this will be enough for you to fight for your survival in the NSE recruitment, right? So that's why in the majorly in this 12 tests, okay, most topics that are very important for you, and you will get short concept. Okay, not question, always remember, question not repeated, concepts are repeated. Okay, so just focus on this. So that's why repeatedly if you give this concept, then obviously it will be your revision only, right? So you can hold that concept or recall that concept very strongly in your exam hall. That's why this is the key point of our test series. Okay, so that's why this is very important point, and on which I worked so hard. Okay, because to make one test, it takes at least 3 to 4 days. Okay, for that 120 questions. So that's why the amount of hard work and all these things are there. So I want, okay, that you should utilize that, because the hard work from my side I already done, okay, to guide you. Now it's your turn, that you should focus in this 15 days and make this recruitment your, okay, just confirm your one seat, fight hard now, just be focused, keep preparing, okay, and stay disconnected from all the irrelevant things, that is very important, and get your one seat in NIC. Okay, so basically all the best to all of you. Okay, now the 8-month journey will be finished in this 15 days, so make proper use of it. And if you think that anything you require more, okay, anything you want video on that, just comment below. Okay, I will, like as always, I will address that, and I will definitely help you or guide you always. Okay, so all the best again, and give your 100%. All the best.